Hello guys, as I promised, after every trade that I took, I have to show you how I took it and what was the analyze before everything. Yeah, this is the trading view, as you see, platform. And when we go on 1 hour, this is how the things was looking like. This is Friday's trade. This was New York, and this was the trade. Yeah, and I want to play it back and you see how I analyzed everything and then how I ended up taking this trade, this one. Let's switch on G4X and see how I have done everything. This this trading platform is free for everyone. You can use it for everything you want, and it's for free. You can analyze it. You can use it for analyzing your strategy or playing back your things or your strategies. So here, this is how you do it works. You play here on replay widget, and then you'll be playing it like this, or you let it play like going it by itself like this. Yeah, and the thing I want to emphasize is on on this candle on New York Open. Yeah, it was on at 9:30. It was at 9:30. If I use this one, it could be better for us to see everything. Yeah, the time I usually use is this one. It's the starting of 9:30 and 11. Yeah, it's time for me to take a trade. Every day I trade only around this 9:30 to 11. Yeah, so let's make it work. Let's make it work. Yep, 9:30 to 11. Yeah, and the trade was this one. Like I was needing, as you see, the price is in uptrend, and then the thing we want, it's a little retracement for the price to go up. Like as you see here, the price went from here to there and then retraced to in 261.5. Yeah, that was the retracement. And after here, you see like from you see how every retracement like it it aligns with with the retracement, or the things have to retrace for the particular levels of Bonacci. Yeah, like when you see here, it was up from here to here. Then we wanted the price to be retracing from right here and do things like this. Yeah, this is the move we wanted for today. But you don't decide where the market will go. It is just you react to where the market goes. Yeah, you just wait for the market and see where it is directing you. Yeah, this is what happened. When we play it until to 9 until to 9:30, this is what we're looking like. Yep, this was the retracement. As I said, was the low of Friday, and this is the top of today, the high of today. Yeah, and the thing I wanted for today, it was like it will come here and then remove this low of the day and then switch back to the clearing those highs that were sitting right here. And the things that happened was this one. It did this thing, and after doing this, we switched on 1 minute and see how the thing was looking like. As you see here, the price didn't took the low of today. It didn't. But for the US 500, when we see about US 500, for it already cleared this low. It is not opening yet. When it opens, you see how it already cleared this move, and that shows the SMT for the price to to move up. Like you, after retracing, after the first confirmation retracement for the Fibonacci on 50 level, and also SMT on 500. It is not yet opening, but when we see on 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 trading view, you see that how it already cleared the move. It was right here. You see how this was the low of today, and then this was the low of today. When we see it like this, it is already shown right here. The low of today, it didn't took it, but on US 100, but on US 500, it already took the low of the day. So this shows an SMT for the price to be moving up. So when we switch on G4X to see how the things was, yeah, this was the thing. We are on 1 minute. Let's play it out and see how. Like you see, this was. Just move this up right here, and so that you can see everything in the move. This was the 50 level of Fibonacci. So when you play it out, you see how the price will be going. Like after seeing this, you have to find the confirmation. The confirmation will be an FVG fair value gap for the price to be moving up, and the thing needed will be right this one. Let me switch to the full, and then you see, like when we play it, you see how this one formed an F fair value gap right here. This is the fair value gap that we do want, and let me switch it to like this. Like we want the price to be coming back here so that we can enter in the price so that we can go with the market. Yeah, this was the move, and then after this you have to make a buy like this one. When we buy here, the stop loss was right here. This is for the best, like from the candle from the candle which is forming the FVG, the raw one is this one. So the so the stop loss would be sitting right here. But if you want for your safety, market won't remove you from the market and continue upward, you should take your stop loss right here. But as for me, I need the price to do not violate this FVG right here, so that the price will be continuing up, and the TP was up right here. As I said, after the price comes from the up here, and then to like let me be clear about this thing. When you have a Fibonacci like this, when the price comes from here and then from here and continue like this, after it traces from here to 50% or 60%, the things we want to see is that the price will continue and remove this high of the Fibonacci. Yeah, it traces from 50% up to 100. This move is always like promisable, I can say that. And when we play this one, after taking this one, let's see how this one will go. It played out, and this was the move right here. Did I set the TP or not? Yeah, this was the TP. Yeah, you see, this was the move. If you use this one, this to reward ratio, the thing will be looking like this. As I say, this one and these two right here, and this was the move. Yeah, this was the move. It would be looking like this. Yeah, for the price to not be showing right here, it's because the price is not moving in. Like for here, you see how this price is being shown. Yeah, risk to reward ratio will be shown if the price moves from this. This was the trade. So guys, thank you for watching. See you another time.